Alright, boom. We got a booster box. We got our top loaders. We got some card sleeves. I'm ready. My body is ready. Bitch, I said what I said. Oh, fuck. Oh, check it out. I got myself a tiny mustache comb. It's miniature. Oh my god.
Brian's friendly said, just use your poop knife as a hard knife.
I don't have a poop knife.
First foot I go out of the house with an effie beer.
I do perfect little Mr. Whippy swells. I don't need a poop knife, Brian. Okay. Alright, well, stop fucking around. Let's go. Oh shit. Is that good? That's good. Charlotte smoothie? Gene. Cool. Gum Gum Jet Gatling we have. Buzzcut Mochi. Okay. Done. Marshall D Teach. Done. Okay, so that was the... Whoa. Is that good? That's fucking pretty. And Kaku. Done. Buzzcut Mochi, is that?
You want my email?
Really? No. Brand new. Okay. I've actually not seen that card before, so. Woo. Whoa, cool Don. Okay. Excellent. Okay, let's go, let's go. Read. Oh shit, what's that? Oh, Marco! Cool card though. Don. Go, another one. Up. Django. Don. Ah, dude. Strierson. Okay. Oh shit. Luffy. Luffy? Ha! Soap sheep! Birth Kaya Lame. Nami. Okay. Usopp! Don! Edo! Django again! Oh! Shit! Bro! It's a Katakuri alt art. Shit, man. Ah! Fuck, man. That's the second best in the whole set.
Sunny Joe.
Oh, yes! I'm so happy. Alright. Yeah, done. Bum bum. That's the stinker. Alright. No. And Luffy! I like Luffy card. Luffy card good. We like Luffy. Five fist and Polly. Okay. That's cool. Done. Is there another one? Ooh-wee! Okay, Rob Lucci. Stupid, sexy Rob Lucci. Done.
Exclamation mark.
Dude, I can't believe we got the old art character. What the? Ezo? Is that our rare? Oh, that's kind of sneaky. That's our rare, and it's kind of stinky. Done! Kaya, if that's our rare. Oh shit! Ah! Wanted poster! Let's go! Bro! What is this box? Oh, that's hype. Shit, dude. That's a beautiful card. Yeah. That's two amazing cards. Fuck. Done. I want some Toon Luffy action, dude. Done. That's a stinky rare, but that's okay. Wanted poster? Freaking game, dude. Zeph! What? Okay. Done! Deck now. Last pack magic. Give me some of that magic. Give me some of that magic sauce, Mikey. I don't think that's much, but that's good. Done? Alright. Freaking cool, dude. Alright, that's good haul. Getting them old arts. Wanted poster. Shit, dude. Instant top load. Oh my god. Jeff. Woo! That's twice. That's twice we've got category in the cards. This was the way better one, man. Those two alone. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, guys. I got some more videos on the way, so click that subscribe button and tune in next time when I'll be grabbing my grundle.